All right, guys, here we go. We have a before and after example here of the surface treatment process that we've been showing you. And look how incredible that looks. And it also spins and performs just as well. Again, this was a before example, after example. Think about history here. We're preserving history. And this is saving history one transmission at a time. And all of you guys out there are doing some fantastic, great work. You need to be doing something just like this to the internals. This is going to help this bike perform and last much longer, because you cannot find these parts again. But look at this massive difference that we're actually getting on these specific parts. And the results are incredible, and they speak for themselves. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, guys.